Hi, I'm at the OCP Summit in San Jose, California, where I have the pleasure of speaking with our open networking partners as part of the EPS Interviews Industry Titans series.
I'm Mike Capuano, Chief Marketing Officer of Pluribus Networks.
How is Pluribus Networks simplifying the software-defined data center?
Sure, so with the software-defined data center, Pluribus Networks' goal is to simplify the data center, make it programmable and lower cost at the same time. So what we do is we make an open network operating system that's Linux-based that runs on open networking switches. And we call that the Netvisor 1. On top of that, we build a solution that is called the Adaptive Cloud Fabric, and that is a controllerless SDN implementation that enables this simplicity, this programmability, and all of that, of course, because it's on open networking hardware, lowers capital costs by leveraging white box economics.
Can you speak about a particular open networking environment where Pluribus excels?
Sure, so we can help modernize and increase the speeds with open networking in a single site data center. We do that a lot and we're very successful, but where we're extremely strong is in multi-site data centers, and we like to call it multi-site data center unification. And that is where you have 2, 3, 4, 6, 10 sites. We can take our Adaptive Cloud Fabric, which is this controllerless SDN implementation, and it stretches across all of those sites and unifies it so it all looks like one logical entity. And fundamentally what that allows the operator to do is they can have, say, 20, 30, 40 switches across these sites. They can go to any switch and program the entire fabric. They can go to any switch and see complete traffic visibility through the entire fabric. All of that's done on white box switches again, which lowers the operating costs and the capital costs. So it increases agility, simplifies operations, and lowers costs. It's a great solution for data center operators. So I think the challenges in the open networking world is you've got a situation where you can take any open networking hardware and any good Linux-based open networking OS and pair them together. And there is some logistics involved that maybe customers who want to move to open networking hadn't sort of experienced before with vertically integrated vendors. Vertically integrated vendors, they could go to one-stop shop and they get everything they need, but they get locked in. So where EPS really helps in this situation is with all of the logistics around the hardware, stocking the hardware, ensuring it's all built out to spec for the customer, drop shipping it where it's needed. And that takes a huge amount of logistics off the table. So a company like Pluribus, where we focus on an open networking operating system and an SDN control layer, can focus where we bring value. And then you bring the two together, you've got our operating system, which is inventoried by EPS. You've got the edge core boxes, which is inventoried by EPS, and then you bring those together and EPS takes care of all the logistics. It's perfect and solves a lot of the problems that many customers have been nervous about in moving to open networking. So it really breaks down the barriers for customers to move to open networking.
How do you find working with EPS?
Working with EPS has been fantastic. They have been right with us shoulder to shoulder. They set up regular meetings. We do joint marketing work together. We do joint visits together to customers, and we've really seen the flywheel begin to spin with them, and we're really looking forward to continued success of our partnership in the future.